Former NBA player and four-time NBA All-Star Kemba Walker recently retired from the game of basketball at the age of only 34 years old. He last played for AS Monaco, which is a French basketball team in another league. Earlier today, he announced on his Instagram that he's retiring from the game of basketball. A truly great career for Kemba Walker, especially in the NBA, achieving 4 NBA All-Stars and a great NBA player. So for today's video, papag-usapan natin ang naging career ni Kemba Walker sa NBA as well as sa game of basketball, kung paano siya nag-improve sa paglalaro niya ng basketball and how was he able to become probably a dominant all-star at some point of his NBA career. Either way, papag-usapan natin yon sa ngayong video. So, abangan. After playing 12 NBA seasons and another season from another league in Europe, Kemba Walker decides to retire from the game of basketball at the age of 34 years old. He was the 9th overall pick in the first round of the 2011 NBA draft, selected by the then Charlotte Bobcats. The Charlotte Bobcats then became the Charlotte Hornets later on. He also played with the Boston Celtics, New York Knicks, and Dallas Mavericks before leaving the NBA. He then played another season in the EuroLeague with the AS Monaco before retiring. Walker was a 4-time NBA All-Star from 2017 to 2020. He also was selected in the All-NBA third team in 2019. He also won the NBA Sportsmanship Award in 2017 and 2018, a back-to-back performance. He was also an LNB Elite Champion last season. He also won the NCAA Championship in 2011, where he led the University of Connecticut. He also won the Most Outstanding Player in the Final Four in the same year. He also won the Bob Cousy Award and Lute Olson Award in 2011. He was also selected in the first team All-Big East in 2011 and was also selected in the third team All-Big East prior to that year. He was also a McDonald's All-American in 2008, and the list just goes on and on. Throughout his career in the NBA, he was able to average 19.3 points per game, 0.4 blocks per game, 1.2 steals per game, 5.3 assists per game, 3.8 rebounds per game, shooting 84% from the free throw line, 36% from the three-point line throughout his career, almost 42% from the field goals, and averaging 33.1 minutes per game. In the EuroLeague, with the AS Monaco, he was able to average 4.4 points per game, no blocks, 0.4 steals per game, 1.1 assists per game, 1.4 rebounds per game, shooting 78% from the free throw line, shooting 36% from the three-point, almost 39% from the field goals, and only averaging 11 minutes per game. In his college career, he was able to average 16.1 points per game, 0.2 blocks per game, 1.7 steals per game, 4.4 assists per game, 4.3 rebounds per game, shooting 78% from the free throw line, shooting almost 33% from the three, shooting almost 43% from the field goals, and averaging almost 33 minutes per game. Para sa akin, he was a great NBA player as well as a player in AS Monaco. He was able to make the NBA All-Star team multiple times and was able to average double-doubles throughout his career, especially sa career niya sa Charlotte. Grabe, napakagaling niya nun. He was like Carjack Kemba. Yeah, that's his nickname, Carjack Kemba. Kaso nga lang, injuries held him back. Simula nung mga siguro 2021, he started to go downhill and left the NBA because of, walang may gustong kumuha sa kanya. And lumipat na siya sa EuroLeague. Then retiring in the game of basketball. Kayo, sa tingin nyo ba, naging maganda yung career ni Kemba Walker sa NBA? Leave it down in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Congratulations Kemba sa retirement mo. And I hope na mag-enjoy ka. Pero yun na muna para sa akin. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.